So in this lesson team, you will come to know vocabulary, obviously, which hit your B2 pattern, which hit your B1 pattern. Clear? Is it clear to you, bacho? And obviously, with the help of those vocab, we'll work for the grammar also. Say Claire, d'accord? Now, for example, pen down in English. For example, if I will say to Jaskaran, uh, I reduced. Reduce. Say Claire. Pen down, all of you, please. I reduced. I reduced. And if I'll say, I have reduced, because you did not work for a reduced vocab, right? And you will say, I did not, negation. I did not reduce. Say Claire, I will reduce. Pen down, please. I would reduce. I will have reduced. Say Claire, all of you, is it clear to you? And I would have reduced. Now, what is that? Now, I would have reduced is something like hypothetical situation wherein you assume the situation. Say Claire, is it clear to you, all of you, please? Because we are working for the pattern. We are working for grammar present tense. Sorry, it's not a present. Okay, we can work on present also. I reduce. I reduce. Say Claire, d'accord. Now, ici, par exemple, I reduce, I reduced, I have reduced, I was reducing. Say Claire. All of you tell me yes and no. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Claire, d'accord? Now, maintenant ici, I will reduce, I would reduce, I will have reduced, and I reduce. Say Claire. Now, premièrement, first of all, my reduce verb is réduire. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me, team. My reduce verb is réduire. Say Claire.
Réduire.
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 D'accord? Mais ici, par exemple, if I ask for the synonym, because we are working for the synonym pattern, say Claire, d'accord? Now, because see, for example, if you learn any language, so if you know the synonyms of the vocabulary is now, for example, we have verb redweed and you know 4 and 5 synonym for redweed. It means you have a strong hold in the language. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Claire?
Yes.
Now, par exemple, we have réduire, diminuer. Répétez après moi. Diminuer is we have diminish, reduce. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Répétez après moi. Réduire.
Réduire.
Répétez après moi. Diminuer. Répétez après moi.
Diminuer.
Diminuer we have diminish. Restreindre. Restreindre, c'est-à-dire quoi? To restrict. Reduce, to restrict. Say Claire. Now, because now we are working for a pattern and we have, see, obviously, for example, you want to speak very good. Now, for example, vous voulez parler très, très, très bien la langue française. If you really want to speak very good French, vous devez ajouter, appliquer votre mémoire, votre l'esprit avec énormément de vocabulaire. C'est clair? Avec les nouvelles vocabulaires. C'est clair? With the new vocabularies. All of you, just Karan, is it clear to you? Shen?
Yes.
Shen, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So répétez après moi. Réduire. Repeat after me.
Réduire. Réduire.
Diminuer.
Diminuer.
Restreindre. Répétez après moi.
Restreindre.
C'est clair.
Restreindre.
Résorber. Résorber is again your reabsorb. C'est clair. Affaiblir. Répétez après moi. Affaiblir, c'est-à-dire quoi? Weaken. Affaiblir. Affaiblir, c'est-à-dire quoi? Weaken. Weak. C'est clair. Se réduire, again to reduce. So répétez après moi. If I ask you, tell me the synonym which hit. Now, obviously, because reduce is a vocab for réduire, but over here we have a synonym, the sense of the synonym sense. So répétez après moi, just Karan, please. Réduire,
Réduire.
diminuer,
Réduire.
diminuer,
Diminuer. Diminuer.
restreindre,
Strength.
résorber,
Résorber.
affaiblir,
Résorber.
and se réduire. Is it clear to you? Can you speak up, Shane? Shane, can you speak up, please?
Réduire.
Uh.
Réduire.
No. UI sound is V in French. Pan down, please. Your pronunciation has to be very strong. Say Claire. Réduire. Répétez après moi. Réduire.
Réduire. Réduire.
Diminuer.
Diminuer.
Répétez après moi. Réduire.
Réduire.
Diminuer.
Diminuer.
Restreindre.
Restreindre.
Repeat. Réduire.
Réduire.
Diminuer.
Diminuer.
You know, diminish, diminuer, restreindre,
Diminuer.
restrict, affaiblir. Répétez après moi. Affaiblir
Affaiblir.
and se réduire. C'est clair?
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? अच्छा, one thing you have to understand, बच्चों सेशन ना रिकॉर्डिंग होती है सेशन की, सो बैक पे ना वॉइस जिसका आ रहा है ना वो प्लीज म्यूट कर लिया करें, बिकॉज फिर ना रिकॉर्डिंग हो जाती है. ठीक है? ओके, नाउ सोनल, कैन यू स्पीक अप दोस वोकैबुलरीज?
Yes, sir. Réduire.
Mm-hmm.
Diminuer.
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 Mm-hmm.
Restreindre.
Exactement.
Résorber.
Exactement.
Se
Affaiblir. Affaiblir.
affaiblir.
And
Se
se réduire. C'est clair? Affaiblir. Se réduire. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
D'accord. Okay. Now, for example, if I pick the vocab of réduire. Now, before going the pattern of I was reducing, because you already know these things, I want to explain to you what is, again, one thing you have to understand. If I asked you, just couldn't, what is être futur? Exactement. Because être futur start from SE. So je serai, because formula is what? Re, ra, ron, re, ron. C'est clair? D'accord? So you know what is serai futur, which is well. If I asked you what is être would, so you know would ending is RAIS, the Lamparfe ending which starts from, but we have to start from R. That is my would. Say Claire, all of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Claire, Sonal,
Yes.
Jaskaran, Amandeep ji, is it clear to you? Jay, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? And then we can add SE. So I will is je serai, SERAI, and I would is je serai, SERAIS. Say Claire, d'accord?
Yes, sir.
All of you. Now, for example, if I asked you what is avoir futur? What is avoir futur? It starts from AU.
You.
So j'aurai is I will have, and I would have is AURAIS. Say Claire.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, one thing again you have to understand. For example, if I will say, I would have reduced, okay, I will not take the vocabulary reduce. If I will say simple, I would have walked. I will have spoken. Say Claire. What is vocab of work? Travailler. Tell me yes and no. Travailler. Claire. Claire.
Yes, sir.
Now, travailler aiguë, because Pepe.
Yes.
Walked is what? What is walked over here?
Why-
Aiguë. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
What is spoken over here? Tell me.
Parle.
Parle. Parle. Ague. Say Claire.
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Claire?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is I would have worked? Now,
J'aurais.
Yo.
j'aurais, because work, because travailler work belongs to my what? Our family.
Yes, sir.
Travailler is our family, so I can say j'aurais travaillé. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? J'aurais travaillé. Now, for example, if I will say I will have spoken. So spoken is what? Our aurai, A-U-R-A-I, I will is what? Acha,
J'aurais.
spoken belongs to my our family verb, right? So j'aurais parlé. Say Claire.
Yes.
All of you. Is it clear to you? Just couldn't?
Yes, sir.
Claire. Now, for example, if I will say I would have gone. I would have gone.
Yes.
I
Yes, sir. Ale.
yes, exactement. Very good, Jaskaran. Je serai exact because gone belongs to my S-E-R-A-I-S. Ending is same because gone is my ale verb and ale belongs to my ether family verb. Say Claire. And ether pepe is what?
Ale.
Ale, right? But ale belongs to what? Ether family verb. So what of ether is serai.
Sir.
If you're a girl, you can add on e at the end. Je serai allée. Say Claire.
Yes.
All of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If you will say I would have left. So partir is my verb to leave.
Yes, sir.
Je serais parti.
Exactement. Je serai parti. Exactement. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Clear? D'accord? Now, par exemple, we have verb réduire. Répétez après moi, team. Réduire. Say Claire. Réduire is my verb to reduce. Réduire. Say Claire. Now, first of all, we have to understand the réduire verb conjugation. Say Claire, team, all of you. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Claire. Now, we have adi ending verb. Say Claire, bacho. Obviously, réduire is something like we can say the formula of SS because adi ending verb, but there is some different format of il and l conjugation. So, répétez après moi, je réduis, this is my present tense. Je réduis, tu réduis, il, elle réduit, nous réduisons, vous réduisez, il, elle réduisent. C'est clair. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je réduis, il, elle réduit, nous réduisons, vous réduisez, il, elle réduisent. C'est clair. And what is the formula of l'em parfait? I was reducing. Je réduisais. C'est clair. Tu réduisais. Il, elle réduisait. Nous réduisions. Vous réduisiez. Il, elle réduisait. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, team? Jaskaran, Jay, Amandeep ji, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, for
Yes,
example,
sir.
we have few tools. We have re ra ra ro re ro. So ici par exemple we have I will reduce, je réduirai, tu réduiras, il elle réduira, nous réduirons, vous réduirez, ils elles réduiront. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. Now par exemple we have past tense, passé composé, past tense. C'est clair. So over here we have j'ai réduit, tu as réduit, elle a réduit, nous avons réduit. Why? Because it belongs to my our family verb and elles ont réduit. All of you, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If I will say I have reduced, That is plus ka parfait. C'est clair? C'est clair? So what is that? Tell me. Just Karan.
J'avais.
Exactement. J'avais détruit. C'est clair? So ici, j'avais détruit, tu avais détruit, il avait détruit, nous avions détruit, vous aviez détruit, and elles avaient détruit. C'est clair? Is it clear to your team?
सर ये प्लू के पार्फे में हम हमेशा आवे वाला ही लगाएंगे अवॉर वाला
No.
ऐत-
Être is we have there in être also. If I will say, if the verb belongs to my être family verb, tell me the
Like-
verb which belongs to my être family verb.
तुरने
Partir.
Tourner, partir, c'est
Mourir.
clair.
Sortir.
Sortir. If I will say
Aller.
aller, this
Descendre.
one.
Allez.
Tomber.
Exactement. Tomber. If I will say, I have fell down. So what do you say?
J'avais tombé.
J'avais.
J'ai-
No, no. J'étais. J'étais.
J'étais tombé.
C'est clair. J'étais tombé. I aigu. C'est clair. So j'étais tombé. So if my verb belongs to my être family verb, c'est clair. I can say j'étais, tu étais because that's an être line parfait. C'est clair. D'accord. Mais par exemple, ici, for example, if I will say future antérieur. Future antérieur is, what is future antérieur, bachon? This is my I will have reduced. Future past, I will have reduced. So j'aurais réduit, tell me yes and no.
Yes.
C'est clair, because it is just we have to take the future of avoir and le pepe. If I will say I would have reduced, these type of sentences we called as conditional passé. Is it clear to you, bachon? C'est clair? Okay, so what I can say, j'aurais réduit, it is just I can say RAIS wala formula. C'est clair? All of you, is it clear to you that how we are working for the tenses? And this is except subjunctive. Except subjunctive, this is a complete grammar of French. Is it clear to you, bachcho? So now all of you
सर,
came to
इसमें
know.
अगर एत्र फैमिली की वर्ब हो हमारे पास जैसे हमने जॉरे लगाया है यहाँ पे
I can say je serai.
यस सर ओके ओके ठीक है सर
C'est clair? Now, for example, you will say, I would have gone. So je serais allé. C'est clair? D'accord?
Yes.
All of you, is it clear to you, bachcho? Now, team, I want to give it to you something. Claire, okay? 1 second. Let's play a game. Now you have to tell me, okay? I will take you the window, 1 second. मैं आपको एक विंडो में लेके जा रहा हूँ. Say Claire. Okay. Now, for example, if I will give the verb of partir, if I will give you the verb of partir. Now, for example, now you will come to know the entire grammar rules. Read the sentence, please. Si nous avions su. What is that? Nous avions su. Tell me, please. C is my F. C is my F. Team, listen to me very carefully. We are working for a hypothetical situation. Listen to me very carefully. Now, for example, if I will say, si nous avions su. Tell me, if we had known.
No.
Because obviously, okay, tell me, what if I will say su? What is su over here? Su. Savoir, exactement. If I will say I had known and I have known, we have the same formula in French. I have known and I had known. So I can say we had known over here. So what is we had known? Tell me.
Nous avons.
Nous
Nous
avions.
avions, because we have to use l'imparfait of avoir and su. C'est clair? D'accord? Is it over here? You have to file up over here this partir. After nous, we have a blank. C'est clair? If we had known, if no, you have to put conditional past over here. What is partir past? Tell me, bachon.
Parti.
Parti P-A-R-T-I. C'est clair? D'accord?
Yes.
C'est clair? Is it clear to you? So if we had known, no dash, parti is my verb to leave and Pluto is earlier. Pluto is earlier. C'est clair? So this is a hypothetical situation. आप बोलते हो if we had known, we would have left early.
Yes, sir.
Non, exact mot. Nous serions. Conditional.
No, sir.
Nous
Yes, sir.
serions partis. Now, how to make hypothetical situation? If we had known, si nous avions su, c'est clair, we would have, हम बोलते हैं ना, we would have left early. C'est clair? Nous serions partis plus tôt. Plus tôt we have early. Is it clear to you? Now make if I will convert. Now, for example, if I give you some translation of English. Now, for example, you say, if we had practiced, we would have scored good.
Si nous avions pratiqué.
Exactement. Si nous avions
Pratiqué.
pratiqué. Practice, we have the verb pratiquer. All of you, is it clear to you how to make the sentence now? Si nous avions pratiqué aigu, we have aigu, c'est clair? Aigu, c'est clair? We would have scored. Ab scoring, we use for team. Listen to very carefully. If you will say scoring a good marks, scoring a best result, right? I can say I use a vocab of gaine. Gaine is my verb to earn and to basically earn a good score. Gaine la good marks of what we say, scored a good marks, I can say. Score good marks, if I can say. So gaine la bonne note. La bonne note. बच्चों, la bonne note c'est à dire quoi? C'est votre good marks. Pen down, please. La bonne note. Répétez après moi. La bonne note. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. La bonne note. C'est clair. La bonne note, c'est à dire quoi? C'est votre the good marks. Is it clear to you, बच्चों? C'est clair. Now, ici, par exemple, if I will say, if we had practiced, si nous avions pratiqué, we would have scored. It means, nous serions gagné, because gagné, Pepe is what? G-A-G-N-E, agu. Nous serions gagné la bonne note. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Yes, Karan.
सर इस वाले टेंस का नाम क्या है जो हमने ये फ्रेंच में बनाया है फ्रेंच
This
में क्या
is
बोलते हैं
hypothetical situation.
ओके
But it is, we start from, we pluck a parfait, we start from pluck a parfait plus conditional passé. C'est clair. Pluck a parfait plus conditional passé. Now you have to create a situation. Pardon, excusez-moi. Now you have to create a situation. If I will say, if you had created a situation, if you had created the situation, if you had created the situation, we would have kuch bhi, we would have anything. If you had created a situation, we would have anything. Tell me, if you had created a situation, we would have understood well. Say Claire. D'accord? Is it clear to you? All of you, is it clear to you, bachon? If you had created a situation, so basically we have verb create is my verb to create.
Great.
Say Claire, create, you know, team, all of you, create is my verb to create. Create pepe is, okay, I can write it down. So now, for example, I could say, si tu avec créé. Now, what is that? Because created, créé verb. We have verb, e-running verb, créé. Say Claire. Créé is my verb to create. Is it clear to you, all of you, please?
Oui.
Say Claire. Shane, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Over here, créé, we have a e-agu. Say Claire. Si tu avais créé la situation. If you had created a situation, created. I can say on aurait. On aurait, basically we are using for, I can say nous aurions also. Instead of use on aurait, I can say nous aurions. Say Claire, what is my understand verb? Have you done comprendre verb? Comprendre is my verb to understand. All of you, please tell me yes and no.
Yes.
So comprendre pepe is
Yes, sir.
compris. So nous aurions bien compris. It means understood well. Nous aurions bien compris, or either I can say on aurait bien compris. On basically we use for the individual persons. On is always conjugate with the conjugation of, like we conjugate il, elle, aurait. So on is also used. We use il, elle, on is the same direction of the conjugation. Aurait. Say Claire. On aurait bien compris. Or either I can say nous aurions bien compris. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Claire? Now, par example, I will give you one more image. Say Claire. It's very important. And over here, you have to fill the conditional passé. Now, par example, if I will say elle dash pouvoir venir s'il n'y avait pas eu cette grève. Very important. First, I will explain to you what is that basically. Say Claire. D'accord?
Oui.
Now, first you have to understand what is that basically. Pouvoir is a verb to be able to and to can. Venir is a verb to come. Say Claire. If I will say, if you could have come. Venir is a verb to come. Say Claire. D'accord? Team, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Say Claire. Is it clear? Tell me please, yes or no.
Yes.
Clear? Now, for example, obviously, because you use in English also, you could have come, you would have come. Say Claire. Is it clear to
Yes.
Bachu? Clear? Now, for example, if I will say L dash, L we have she, Claire, aurait. Now, okay. Now, for example, I will say L dash pouvoir, and I have to use over here conditional passé. Okay, L dash pouvoir, venir to come. C basically we use for if. Il n'y avait pas. Il n'y avait pas, we have used il. Okay, I can explain to you. What is Ilya, bachon? What is Ilya? Ilya literally mean what is there, there are, have you done?
Yes.
What is there? If I will use there was, there has been, there was, there is, and there are is what? Ilya.
Mm.
So if I use past of a, what is a over here? Avar, a, say Claire. The past of, if I will say there was, there, है ना? The past basically, that is Ilyave.
Yeah.
That is Ilyave. There has, say Claire, Ilyave. Now, for example, over here I'm using Ilniave. E basically, as I already explained to you, E basically we use for there. Tell me yes or no. We already explained E is there. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Just करें आपको clear हो रहा है बच्चे?
Yes, sir.
तो बहुत important है. Now today I will explain to you how to apply negation basically. Now literally meaning of, if I will say in English, there had not been. Pen down please, because pattern is very important. There had not been. Pen down please. There had not been. One thing you have to understand, negation in French is always ne and pas. Negation is always, we have ne and pas. And between ne and pas, negation is always ne and pas. Repte après moi, negation is always ne pas. Repte après moi, ne pas. Repte après moi. And always you have to understand, between ne and pa we have to insert verb. Now we have verb ave, to nave pa. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And over here I'm using ni ave, because e we have there. E we have there. Il ni ave pa. There had not been. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? E basically we use for there. And how to conjugate the sentence, like how to fabricate a sentence. We fabricate a sentence with the help of Hindi. हम बोलते हैं वहां पे नहीं था, वहां पे. E. One thing you have to understand बच्चों, E always insert with your personal pronoun. Now for example, if I will say I am going to the cinema, as I already explained to you this thing. Now tell me, I'm going to the cinema. Je vais au cinéma. Tell me yes and no. All of you. Just Karan, Amandeep ji, Sonal.
Yes.
Clear? But if I will say I am